Hey, what's going on? This is Lauren with Atlanta Custom Bagger. It's been a while since we've done a video, a YouTube video, a Facebook video, just about any video. But today we're going to showcase a little bit of audio in this Victory that we have here for a local customer. This Victory has a lightweight setup. This is 4 speakers, this is 2 6.5s, and this is 2 10s mounted in the bags, running 1 amp, running a Pioneer head unit. No DSP, no additional controller in it. I actually did something a little different on the install for these bags. We didn't use our speed bag. We actually went and used a mid bag, the product that we make for the Harleys, for an inside mount. So that gave us a little bit smaller hole on the outside of the bag and gave us the ability to pull it out a little bit easier and swap the speaker or remove it if they wanted to go on a road trip. I chose the X Pro 10s as a full range speaker. I don't have a way to band pass it as I normally would band pass the 10s in the bag, but this particular setup doesn't have that ability. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little demo of some sound here and tell me what you think. We're running QRS65s in the fairing. We're running X Pro 10s in the back.
Used to be hard to get abroad when I got declined on my debit card. Duct tape on my headlight, no aux plug in my beat up car. And college loans stacked up, equated to more than my savings and shit. I ain't even regraduation, so now all that I'm paying is hard knocks education. I'm saying that I barely had money for weed. Shit, I had to sell it to smoke. Pulling up on my tank on E. Yes, I was incredibly broke, but shit was inevitable. I had to go do it to get to the dough. And the ropes on the slope of a treacherous road. Still I put on one hell of a show. My credit was low, but I shot for the top. Riding out whether I got it or not. Seeing these people with money, you're wondering if they were better. I got it. And just fell right, phone blow like a tailpipe. Today's schedule inside, turn a short day into a long night. See you soon if you got the heart. Meet you outside when you park. Hurry up if it's getting done. Won't say much and that says a lot. Hop into that old Benz, drive through that road ends. Good time with some old friends.
So as you can see, the QRS give us a pretty good clarity. They're not pro audio speakers. We're not running additional horn tweeters in the fairing. We are really just running a full range coax speaker up there with 6.5 adapters, the X Pro 10s in the back. And so we could get a lot more mid bass out of them if we could band pass them, give them a little more hell. Not really adequate for this customer. He kind of wants the overall sound, but we could do that, add more to it. This whole setup here, audio and equipment wise, under $1,000 for the amp, the head unit, the speaker adapters, the handlebar controller, speed bags, speakers. Really a pretty good entry-level setup for people who want something pretty clear. And you can swap those 10s out for just about anything. If you want more mid-bass, definitely could run some DS18 Neos in there. You could run some PRVs or anything in the bag. Tailor that to your personal preference. Audio, I always say, is very subjective. So what one person likes, another person hates, and vice versa. Do what you think is best for you. We do like to provide you guys with some cool audio installation accessories, stuff that really helps you get the job done more efficiently, a little bit easier maybe. This install here was relatively painless for me to do. You know, the head unit part is probably the most intense part of it, pulling the whole fairing off. Outside of that, really not a big deal. So check us out on our website, atlantacustombaggers.com. Check us out on Facebook at Atlanta Custom Baggers, Instagram at Atlanta Custom Baggers. Man, I'm all over the place. YouTube, Atlanta Custom Baggers. I'm going to do some more videos for you guys in the future here as we ramp up some more products going into the build season and help you guys get some stuff squared away. If you have some questions or comments, leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. We do stay pretty busy here. Most people don't know what my place looks like since we've moved. I'll give you a quick flip around. It's a mess, man. I've got bikes and parts and stuff just about everywhere. We've got Harleys in here getting tore up and painted up and bags done, and we've got custom projects still up here on the lift. We've got parts everywhere, boxes everywhere. And normally at this part of my day, the paint booth is going, grinding on shit, so I don't really hear the phone. So hit me up on there. If you call, leave a message. I'll try to call you back today. Sometimes it won't be today, sometimes it'll be tomorrow. Depends on how much I got going on. But we do appreciate you guys' business and your feedback, so leave a comment below, and we'll talk to you soon.